Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the tempered glass that I recently bought for Honor 9N. And if you wanna buy this, link will be in the description. So here is my Honor 9 Lite, and it is not a tempered glass that is like fully transparent. It has those bezels on the sides. Now I like these ones a little bit more, so that's the reason I've gone with this one. Now if you want to buy that one, the fully transparent, the link is in the description as well. And as you will open, you will see this dry and wet cloth. You can clean the phone with this, and then you will see this tempered glass which has some weight to it, which is a really good thing. And it also came in a box, but anyways guys, let's keep this to the side and let's quickly take out this tempered glass. Here we go, and looks super cool. And as you can see, it has this paper cloth. You can clean the phone with this. Now I've already cleaned it up. I had this, so I'm not going to be doing this right now. Make sure you do it nicely, carefully. And I'm also in a really, it's not a comfortable position, and the camera is in the middle as well. So finally it is coming out, and if you're not really sure about getting this right, you better go to any of the stores. And as you guys can see, it also have a cutout for the notification LED. That's nice. And finally let's place it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, make sure you do it, and also hit that notification bell. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And once this starts to happen, you better leave it. It will do itself. So guys, it's almost done, and you can see a little bit of pockets down there, but that's completely alright. And yeah, it is ready to use. Let me quickly get the brightness right, and here we are, guys. So it is fully ready to use, and if you want to buy this, link is in the description, and also given the link of the one that is fully transparent. So if you want to buy that one, you can check that out as well. And that pretty much wraps it up, guys. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.